This video will help you with the ESL guided placement process. The ESL program helps students whose first language is not English. This program will improve your knowledge and skills for both personal and academic purposes. To decide where to start, you will want to look at your English reading and writing skills. Citrus College offers 3 levels of ESL coursework for you to choose from. We encourage you to choose the level you're most comfortable to start in so that you can work your way up to the transfer level English composition course. Students who identify as low to intermediate in their English skills should choose to start in Level 3. Level 3 will help you with fundamental reading and writing skills. Think of this level as learning to walk before you can jog. If you feel like you should start with just the basics, you will register for both ESL 3A and ESL 3B. We encourage you to take these classes during the same 8-week period, but you will be permitted to register for them during different 8-week periods if necessary. Students who have some basic skills in reading and writing may choose to start in Level 4. This level will expand the basic skills into more complex assignments with more discussion work than in Level 3. Think of this as learning to jog before you can run. To complete Level 4, you will register for ESL 4A and ESL 4B. Again, you can choose to take these together or separately. Level 5 is for students who have mastered the skills of Level 4 and are ready to start writing essays and utilizing a more advanced vocabulary. The readings will have more depth to them, and you will learn how to master meaningful responses. Think of this as learning to run to the finish line of English C1000. This level can be completed by finishing both ESL 5A and 5B. After you have worked your way through the ESL coursework, you will be ready to register for English C1000 or English C1000E. Remember, you should choose to start in the ESL level that you feel most comfortable in. You will build up your skills with each course, and we will be here to support you along the way. If you still have questions about which level is best for you, please don't hesitate to reach out to a counselor. We will be happy to assist you with making the decision of where to begin.